The sky grows dark. The rainbow bridge Bifrost begins to break. In Asgard, the gods prepare for war. The warriors of Valhalla gather. Odin leads the army into battle. Thor raises the hammer, Mjolnir. Lightning fills the sky, but Loki has betrayed the gods.
Warriors of Vak, the hour of Ragnarök passer. Let storm bring victory over Thor.
The wolf, Fenrir, breaks his chains. The world serpent Jormungandr rises from the sea. The final battle begins. Hel leads the army of the dead to the final battle of Ragnarok. Thor kills the serpent, but its poison takes his life. Fenrir attacks Odin. The world burns, but from the ashes, a new world will rise.